Hello students, how are you all? As you know that in the previous session you have been told about aggregate demand, aggregate supply and marginal propensity to consume. So in the present session we will study about some important content of the same chapter which are left for explanation. So today we will take about the meaning of MPS. MPS means there is a functional relationship between saving and income. So MPS equal to delta S upon delta Y. It means saving is related to the income. If our income is increasing day by day, so we can increase the level of saving for our future needs. So MPS equal to delta S upon delta Y. And now we can discuss about the autonomous consumption expenditure. So dear students, autonomous consumption expenditure is that expenditure which is done when the income of the consumer or producer is zero. So at the zero level of income, whatever expenditure or consumption expenditure is done, that is called autonomous consumption expenditure. And I will tell you about the autonomous saving. When the saving level is the same at all level of income, it means there is no change in the saving if income is increasing or decreasing. So this type of saving is known as autonomous saving. And MPC is marginal propensity to consume. And here is a formula for MPC. MPC is the functional relationship between a change in consumption and change in income. So MPC is equal to delta C upon delta Y.